Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're looking for budget accommodation in Coimbra, Portugal, then this video is for you. We stayed at Hostel Sé Velha, just a short walk from the historical old cathedral. In this video, I'll show you around our private room and the common spaces and give you my honest opinion on whether it's worth booking. So let's review Hostel Sé Velha. First up, let's start with the location. Hostel Sé Velha is just a few steps from Coimbra's famous Sé Velha Cathedral and a 5-minute walk to the iconic Coimbra University. From the outside, it looks simple, but inside it has everything a budget traveler needs. And surprisingly more than I'd expected from a hostel, to be honest. By the way, this was our first time ever staying in a hostel, so we didn't know what to expect. We booked a private room which gave us an extra comfort and privacy. Check-in is self-service, but opening the doors can be tricky, especially from the main entrance all the way to the actual room, and there were no staff around to help, which was a little bit frustrating. So after struggling to open the door and feeling so much regret for booking this, we didn't know what to expect. We soon realized that we were using the wrong keyhole to open the door. So apparently you're not supposed to open the door using the bottom one. You have to use the small little top keyhole to open the door. So now let's move on to the good stuff. So this was our room. It's nothing fancy but super clean and quiet. The bed was actually more comfortable than we expected, and there was even a small desk, perfect if you're working remotely or you just need a private spot to crash after exploring. Our private room felt more like a small guest house than a hostel, to be honest, super quiet, which we loved. Our room also had a small lovely balcony with a view of the Sé Velha Cathedral. The only thing that was missing was a mini bar, but hey, it's a hostel, so there is a shared kitchen downstairs, which I will show you shortly. And the best part is this hostel costed less than €100 per night, and if you are interested to know how much it costed per night, I will let you know at the end of the video, so keep watching. This is a shared kitchen with some essential items and the dining area. You can cook your own meals. There is a fridge, stove, microwave, and plates that you can use. They also have coffee machines, and I love that they have 2 different types of coffee machine. If you prefer using the coffee pods, or if you like filtered coffee, you could sure help yourself, which was really nice. They had honestly all the essentials that you need if you are in a hotel. For a hostel, this was really impressive because for me, I didn't know what to expect. And the dining area was also bright, and it had a space to eat and work from. And I love the balcony outside the common area. It felt quiet, and you could relax there, have a coffee, read a book. It felt peaceful after working all day, but unfortunately during our visit, the weather wasn't so great, so on one of the days we didn't use it at all, but it was quite nice regardless. Okay, here are the good things about Hostel Sé Velha. It's clean, quiet, and relatively close to almost all the iconic sites in the city, and we add privacy, which is super important for us. The only downside was it was located on a steep road which could not be accessible for people with mobility issues, and it wasn't the most social hostel, to be honest. So if you're looking to meet other travelers, this might not be your spot, but for couples or anyone who wants some peace, It was honestly a unique stay for us, and I would recommend it. And there you have it, guys. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly and private place to stay in Coimbra, Portugal, then Hostel Sé Velha is a great choice for you. By the way, it costs about 86 euros per night for the private room, which was affordable for us compared to the hotels and other accommodation we saw for the period we visited. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss my next video with travel tips and guide about visiting Coimbra, Portugal. Thank you for watching.